Eto, pumunta tayo dito. Isang pagtuunan natin ng pansin dito. Valdavid, coach. Nakita natin, dinraft dito ng Sankis. Never made it because of too much talent in the team. Pumunta sa BBL, naglaro ng isang taon pa. Naging national team. At nakita mo yung nagawa sa kanya nung isang taon na yun.
Marata, balingit ang Saitono. Chang Meneses. Valdavid! Yes! Grace outside to Valdavid. Ball scoots inside, gives it to Loxin! Shoot, ang Saitono says, let me try. It bounces away. Here come the Ginebras. Jason will set for a three. Good!
Natin, meron siyang anterior cruciate ligament tear in his knee, in his right knee. And that is hampering his mobility and his positioning.
Valdavid. Wow, what an angle to work! There's Bernal lobbing it inside, taking it away. Valdavid.
What a steal. From mid-air, two-handed catch by Valdavid.
40 seconds, Ginebras lead is 11. Valdavid. Nag-use ang clock. Si Marata nakaantabay sa kanya. Nakawala si David. Goodbye!
And no help.
Baby fat.
Pero hindi na baby yan. Napakalaking baby niyan.
25 anyos na yata yan para napakalaking baby na.
Ito yung sinasabi natin na problema potentially for Frank Ilim. Yung bilis ng kamay at mata nito si Valdavid.
So, 12 points yan, 15 points yan. Hindi problema. Kaya yan. Ayan.
Ganda ng pass. Yun ang napaka-basic na pass ng ako ni Vince Sison bibigay kay Valdavid. Valdavid, will he challenge? Dinaanan si Pulistico. Yun ang sinasabi mong pusong malaki nitong batang ito. Ang tabayanan po ninyo, yung matinding championship game number 1. Naglagang bola kay Gayoso. Gayoso!
Well, they don't need to foul. 9 seconds, 8 seconds left to go. One stop lang dito.
Ito yung 4 seconds. Ayan ang agaw! Ibibigay kay Marlo. Marlo aatake. Sinigurado niya. At
gulat-gulat ng mga pangyayari. Pasa sa ilalim. And this is an entirely different their play. Kaya ginagawa ng Pure Foods yan. Valdavid gagamitin ng banda. Dapat by this time, alam na nila kung paano breaking yan. Valdavid from the corner. Guarding against him. And, he doesn't want to commit the turnovers anymore. That's a big man on top of him. He likes to shoot over Evangelista. Ganadong-ganado siya tumira kay Evangelista. Back to Marlo Aquino, Sonny Jaworski, JP Gayoso. Upukol mas malapit. Wala. Ando si Marlo Aquino. Tipping that ball in. Wala. Valdavid, a second to go. Bidato. Tila. And it counts. And that basket counts. Ito. Malayo pa ito. Bidato ni Valdavid. Yes! Valdavid! Go! Go! What a shot! Valdavid! 1 segundo. Inbound ni Loxin. Wala makita. Valdavid has it. Valdavid spins, fires. Ano yan? Well, that down. Teka muna. Check muna natin kung counted ang tira. Valdavid